Oh my gosh, that's so loud. It's a mini motorcycle. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. It's so loud.
Get out of the bush, nut.
That is shit.
Well, how long until you fix the chain? There.
Gotta wait till the lawnmower place is open.
That was
I
loud.
got the chain. I just gotta have them put it on.
Daddy, can I put it on?
Gino, get off the floor. The bugs are gonna eat you.
Just started.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Mama, Daddy,
They don't even need to buy one. They just need to fix this.
It's a mini motorcycle.
No, let go, let go.
We can't do it ourselves.
See what this means.
my dad.
That's so cool. You can see the reflection on it too.
Mommy! Mommy! Guys. Mommy! Mommy!
Gotta be
Get off
done
it.
fast and hard.
That's so cool.
What?
So he's trying to start it because he can't start.
Mommy, start it. Can you start it?
That was so loud.
Where's the thingy? You gotta do it
No, watch out. I'll start.
fast and hard.
Because it hurts.
Oh, they're gonna start again. Prepare your ears. Prepare your ears.
You guys all take pictures on it.
I'm recording a video.
Get off this bike. Get off this bike.
That's so cool.
I just did a driver and go.
Oh my gosh.
These glasses.
You gotta go on backwards. You gotta put them upside down so it would be
Oh, he's wearing sunglasses.
Different days.
You like this?
He's still looking at it. He's still looking at it. He's so adorable on that little bike.
Ride your bike. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Do it. Do it.
You can see the reflection. It's so good.
No, leave the glasses on. Put them back on.
Leave your glasses on, dude.
Now ride your motorcycle.
Imagine.
Ride your motorcycle and do that. Bad boy. Natural born bad boy.
Put them on. Watch his glasses on. Okay, put your hands on the steering wheel. Come on.
Down, Put your glasses on so that they can take a picture.
That's so loud.
Push the button. Push the button.
It was on the floor. I didn't want to be in the picture.
You know what is
Oh,
that?
whose bike is that? Whose bike is that?
Mommy.
No, whose bike is it?
Mommy.
He's calling you on it, mommy.
Got it for free and it runs.
Wow.
Hey, Mommy, don't. Yeah.
But I gotta go to the other one.
That's loud.
I love it. It's beautiful. It's just like you. It's perfect.
Change. You gotta have to go take it to the window shop and put it on. I gotta see if they got the chain guard. He's not gonna.
No, it's
For
too
them.
powerful. No, that even them. Big
Yeah, this
people
thing is
around
gonna
it.
fly.
Oh,
Okay, why you wanna break it?
You want to push it.
I can't wait to put it in the house. Sleep with it. In the house.
you're still recording.
Oh, Mommy.
Well, of course I'm recording.
Can I drive your motorcycle?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
That's so.
I'm putting it.
I'm not gonna leave it.
That's so loud.
Give me a rag in that bucket and put a little water on it. Better as both, huh?
For free with this little bike.
No, baby.
I didn't buy you nothing. In the blue bucket by the boxes, you'll see a rag in there.
That is nice. Motorcycle.
Hey, Daddy, Mommy, do.
Alright, okay. But I was gonna go watch my show.
No.
It's like a mini motorcycle.
It is.
It's close.
It gets loud too, so you know it's fast, huh?
Yeah, well, big people ride it, not kids. You never see kids on these things.
Never.
No, you're gonna drop it. You're gonna drop it. You're gonna drop
Put
it.
water on it. Hurry up.
What?
Hey, hey, hey.
Ah.
Michael, get him out of there.
Come on.
Michael, can you hold him so I can move my car?
Okay, stay over here by mommy. Stay by mommy. Tati's gotta move the car. Stay right here by mommy.
Hey, Daddy,
Can I get on it?
Will Smith made another movie, but it's on Netflix. I'm watching it now.
Oh. Can I get on it? The little thing?
Yeah, get on it. But you gotta be strong and hold it so you don't drop it.
Okay.
Straighten it out because the kickstand is still there. There you go. Now sit on it.
Ah. Whoa, that's crazy.
Wait, hold it till Tati comes.
That's so crazy. This is the little gas thing where you put gas.
It's a mini motorcycle.
Yeah.
Mini motors.
Yeah, imagine if there was a vine, a little kid was riding this.
No, they should.
But little kids never ride them. If you see on YouTube, little kids don't. You see how the big
I
guys
don't
get.
Oh.
Wait, Michael's taking pictures.
Mommy, you know they should
Well,
have
that's
that.
cool.
They should have a star as that. Mini motors.
They do.
Really?
Yeah.
Mini motors.
Where you buy them?
That's cool.
No, get out of the garage.
Daddy,
Tina, come on.
Daddy, do
Sonny,
they
go
have...
close that garage.
I'll close the garage. I'm going in there. You guys watch him.
Give me that right there.
Hey, Mommy, do they
So
have
cool.
a store called Mini Motors? Mommy.
Oh, what? A store? I don't know what.
It's not broke.
I was saying they should make a store there where they have all the mini cars.
You know.